Hey guys, how's it going? So today I am unboxing the Boxycharm for January. Mine always takes so long to get to me. Like, it's halfway through the month already. Anyways, this one is unopened. So it just came in the mailbox and I am going to unbox it. Typically I do a try-on for Boxycharm, but I did get one spoiler this month through my email, and it was which palette I was getting, and it's not what I'm keeping. So that's going to be going in a giveaway. So my face is already done for the day. And I think the other spoiler I got is that we're getting some kind of lip product, but I don't know which one that is. So I thought, since I don't already know all the products that are in here like I typically do with Boxycharm, because they put out so many spoilers on their Instagram, so you're going to get my initial impressions of what I get in the box. My 1-year anniversary giveaway is going on right now, so if you want to get entered into that, I'm looking down because I'm trying to open this thing. I'll put a link up in the iCards, it'll be right up over here, with the video where I show everything that's in it, and then I'll put a link down below in the description box where you can enter into that. So be sure to check that out after you see what is in my box. And I am also thinking that there's going to be 2 videos one day this week because I've got like a backlog and I haven't had a tutorial since Friday. And I really don't like... I like to have a tutorial on my channel every couple days because that's really what I love to do. And yes, I did film this look, so it will be coming. Alright, let's hop into this box. So, Boxy and Chill. I don't want to look at the back because I do kind of want a surprise. I never have them. That's the theme this month. I guess because it's cold out, I guess. Alright, so the first thing I see is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. This was the spoiler that I had in my email. It is, I'll show it to you and you'll know why it's going in a giveaway if you know me well. Oh my gosh, this thing is like on lockdown here. Okay, so here is what it looks like. It is very neutral shimmer shades. While I've heard that Tarte has a beautiful shimmer shade formula, I'm not going to get much use out of this palette, so I thought it would be better going to one of you guys because I know that you're going to get use out of this as well. So that is the palette I got. The palette has a value of $36, so if this is something that you like and would purchase something like that anyway, then the box is totally already worth it for you. Boxycharm is it $19 a month? 21. It's $21 a month. I always forget that when I do this video. Boxycharm is $21 a month, and you typically get well over $100 worth of products, full-size products in your box. All right, I'm going to kind of reach in here. All right, so the next thing is the Briogeo Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I have never tried this. Everyone loves the... It's almost like it's got a floral smell, but also a chemically smell. Everybody loves the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair hair mask. For me, it's an okay hair mask. I have ones that I like better, but I've never tried this. I do use a leave-in conditioner every time that I wash my hair, and this has got no sulfates, silicones, or parabens. So I will be trying that. That's a 2 ounce, so that is definitely not a full-size product. It says that it's a $12 value. So we're up to $48. All right, let's see what else. Ooh, Universal Brow Pencil from Billion Dollar Brows. I did do my brows today, but I'm just going to see. I feel like I need like to powder my face. Am I getting oily? All right. Ooh, I think I might enjoy this. Right off the bat, I'll just tell you what it seems like just from doing it right now. It seems like it's a skinny, it's like a mix between Goof Proof and the skinny one. It's like it's a skinny one, but it has the Goof Proof formula, which is my favorite brow formula because it's a little bit creamier, so it's easy to apply. So I think I'm going to like that in a skinny form. And then it also has a spoolie on it, so this is a value of $18. So I like that. I like that a lot. All right, next in here we've got... Oh my gosh, don't tell me this. This is the Ofra Liquid Lipstick in Havana Nights. Did I just get that? So I recently did a kale polish haul. Yeah, so this is Havana Nights. I got that from a kale polish bundle that I got. This is also Havana Nights in the new packaging. Let me see if it looks the same on... Yeah, this is going to be going in a giveaway. So if you see right here, and I showed this in my kale polish haul as well, that is like a pinky magenta shade, and I wish it looked like what it looks like in the bottle, because I would love a liquid lipstick of this color. I have too many pinky magenta liquid lipsticks that I don't necessarily even wear all the time, so now I have 2 of these to go in giveaways. So far this, I'm not sure that this box is too much worth it. And then the last thing in the box, oh, I do remember seeing spoilers for this, is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. I love face masks. I use them probably 3 times a week. This has a value of $24. Nothing aggravates me more than when sometimes someone tries to charge $12 for a face mask. Come on now. So this does have, it better be microfiber sheet. I don't even think it's like a gel, because sometimes the gel formula masks are more expensive because of the material they're made out of, but this one says it's made out of microfiber. Nourish skin from within using a lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, fatty acids, highly concentrated botanical oils, and extracts. You get a free gift with purchase. If you purchase $75 for your first order at Tatcha.com, you get a free gift with code BOXY19. So if you want to pick up some things from Tatcha, you can get a free gift with that. I am really excited to try these, despite the fact that I don't think they should be charging $12 for a face mask. I kind of am over the whole Tatcha hype, because I use really good skincare that is really inexpensive, because I use Korean skincare. But I am excited to try these. These will be the first Tatcha product that I try, and they will for sure go in like an updated Skincare Tuesday video. Overall, if I were to put a value to what this box actually means for me, I would say a brow pencil is a $10 value. And this little guy... Let's see, the leave-in conditioners I use are about $17. So this is probably like a $3 value, so we're at $13. And then we've got 2 sheet masks. The sheet masks I use are about $3, 50 cents to $3, so we'll say $3. So I would say this is about a $21 box for me. If I looked at what I would actually purchase and use anyways. So this box was worth it for me, and in addition I have got the Rainforest of the Sea palette for a giveaway and 2 Ofra liquid lipsticks, or 1 from this box, Ofra liquid lipstick for a giveaway as well. I can't remember what the other, I think there was a Bite Beauty liquid lipstick that I was kind of hoping to get, or at least a shade of something that I would really like. But that's okay. So that was box number 2. What lip product did you guys get in your Boxycharm? I would love to know. I did leave my lips kind of blank because I thought I was going to get to put my lip product on, but I didn't. So if you guys are interested in getting Boxycharm, I will put a referral link below. I typically also will put what the free gift is when you sign up with it, if there is one. I recommend signing up for Boxycharm when there is a free gift with sign up, and how that works is we both get the gift. So that's kind of nice, but there typically always is one, so if there's not one right at the moment, there will be probably really soon. So I just wanted to look into what spoilers we know so far for February. If you're thinking about it right now, we know that we're getting the No Pore Blem Primer, Smooth and Pore Covering Primer from Touch in Soul, and that is a $18 value. And the other thing we know we're getting in February is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. That will be going in a giveaway for me. And then we think we know Dose of Colors is going to be coming soon, and we know in the BoxyLuxe for March there's going to be a Morphe palette. So kind of helping you decide if you are interested or not, if those things sound interesting to you or not. you can check out the link below. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this Boxycharm unboxing. Let me know what you think about it. Don't forget to enter the giveaway before you leave. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!